Question number 16. A mass spring system oscillates in SHM with maximum elastic potential energy E, okay, EO here, and the mass is tripled, amplitude is doubled. What is the new maximum elastic potential energy of the system? So E is given by the formula half Ka square. So K is known as the spring constant, which does not depend upon M or anything else. So when you buy a spring, it has a spring constant which is independent of anything else. So this is a constant variable similar to that of a density of water. Okay, so for example, density of water, whether you increase the mass or you change the value of the the volume, whatever it is, the density does not change as long as it is pure water. Okay, in a similar way, K is also a constant, so this does not change. Half K multiplied by A. What is A here? This becomes 4A square. Okay, so this should be 4 times half Ka square, which should be equal to 4 times E. So answer is E. Okay, so there is a misconception which many students have committed in their exams and also reported to me regarding this. They say that, okay, since we know that K is equal to M omega square, so changing the value of M, okay, should also change the value of K, which is incorrect, because you know K is an independent variable. This variable does not depend on anything. That's what we call as independent variable. So if you change the value of M, it does not change the value of the spring constant. Okay, as long as you are not changing the material of the spring, not making it more stiffer or more lighter and so on, only then the value of K changes. Of course, K changes with temperature. Okay, apart from it, it does not change with anything else. Okay, so take care of that. So the answer here is B.